Okay, good morning, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the how to do the integration by using the partial fractions. Okay, I explained some problems remaining. I think you complete. Okay. Now today we are going to the another topic. This is very important topic. Before you find the integration, only single function only. Yeah, the product of the two functions. Till now we cannot find product of, if we take the product of the two functions. Okay, those two functions in the single variable only. Those two are the compulsory how the integrable. The single variable means those two functions are in product. Before we cannot find the product of the two functions, integration for the product of the two functions. Before we cannot find only single functions, we can find the integration of the given function. Now today I will discuss about the how to find the integration of the product of the two functions. Okay, that is called integration by parts. Integration by parts. What is that one? Integration by parts. Integration by parts means to find the integral of, to find the integration of the product of the two terms. To find the integration of the product of the two terms is called integration by parts. Product of the two terms. For suppose those product of the two functions, those two functions in the same variable. First, those are differentiable functions. Whenever those are differentiable, must 100% antiderivative or primitive exist, means integration must be exist. Okay, my dear students. Let u comma v are the two functions. Observe that u comma v are the two differentiable functions in x, means those two functions are defined in x. We know that derivative of uv product rule you know very well or not? You know that derivative of the function. Okay, now this is equal u into dv by dx plus u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Now we will take the integration on both sides. Integration on both sides means this is antiderivative we will take. Whenever antiderivative means inverse process. Whenever you take the integration, derivative integration must be this derivative go that side, means integration with respect to x. Now both sides taking integration on both sides. Okay. Now integral of uv is equal integral derivative, both are inverse reciprocals, means those are cancelled. Okay. Now derivative that side means integration, both side integration means this one, integral of u into dv by dx with respect to x, my dear students. Integral v into du by dx with respect to x. After that plus this side means minus. Now we write here u into dv by dx with respect to x is equal to uv minus integral of v into du by dx into dx. Okay, my dear students, from this one plus this side, this is minus. Now here let consider some special. Okay, let here u is equal to f of x for suppose one function. Next one is dv by dx. Let dv by dx is equal to what happened, that is g of x for suppose. This is first function, this is second function. Here u is equal to f of x. You know that du by dx, what happened? Du by dx is equal to, this is f dash of x, first function derivative. This is not first function, du by dx, derivative of this one, du by dx f dash of x. Now here differentiation of v. Now what is the antiderivative means? Integration. Derivative that side, compulsory integration. Therefore v is equal integral of g of x dx. Okay, my dear students, we will take the integration on both sides, derivative integration cancel. Okay, with respect to x, both are reciprocal. Now substitute these values in this one. Now integral of u means f of x into dv by dx. dv by dx means g of x. Observe that product of the two functions in the same variable x. Now we find the integration of the product of the two functions. Sum means no problem, separation integration is going on, but here into is there. Derivative is separate, integration is separate. Derivative of product of the two functions means you know this one formula. Now integration of the two functions, integral of f of x and g of x into dx is equal to here u. What is u? U means f of x integral of, sorry, v means integral of this one, g of x dx minus integral of f of x into g of x dx is equal to f of x into integral of g of x dx minus integral of v. V means first to write this one, du by dx. First write the product of, no problem, first to du by dx. Du by dx means derivative of the first function, f dash of x into v. V means integral of g of x dx whole dx. This is the by parts method. This is the formula. By using this one, we will complete the problems. Integral of f of x, g of x dx. Product of the two functions, integration is equal to first function into integration of the second function. First function into f of x into integral of the second function minus integral the derivative of the first function into here the derivative of this one into again integration of same integration we will write here. Again after calculation of this one again we will integrate f dash of x into integral of g of x dx whole dx. You remember the formula? For suppose let f of x g of x into dx is equal to f of x into g of x dx minus integral of f dash of x into integral of g of x dx whole dx. Okay, this is the formula for this one, integration by parts. What is the formula for integration by parts? Means product of the two functions is equal to first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function into dx. Okay, my dear students. Okay, no problem. I hope that you understood the formula. You by heart this formula, you remember this formula thoroughly. How it get means in this way you will get this one. Okay, my dear students. Now how to means for suppose, okay, so many functions are there, which one is the first function, which one is the second function, don't confuse. Okay, you will take the functions f of x, g of x by the order of the letters of the word isolate, by the orders of the letters of the word isolate. Which function is first means in that letter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 functions are there. Which one is the first? That is the first. What is the means for I? I stands for the trigonometric functions. I stands for inverse. I means inverse trigonometric functions. Whenever for suppose here starting is I. In this one for suppose sin inverse of x into x is there. In this one inverse is there, algebraic is there. Which one is the first? Inverse is the first. That is first function. We will take the first function or second function by the order of the letters isolate. For suppose first inverse, L means logarithmic functions, means log x. A means algebraic functions. I means inverse functions. What are the inverse functions? Sin inverse x, cos inverse x, or tan inverse x, so on, up to secant inverse x. First one is inverse. I means I stands for the inverse functions. L stands for the logarithmic functions, means log x whole square, log x whole cube, logarithm functions. A for algebraic functions. Algebraic functions means x square, x cube, root x, 1 by x. These are all so on in terms of x. Whatever may be fraction, whatever may be, those are the algebraic functions. Next T. T means trigonometric functions. T stands for the trigonometric functions. Means sin x, cos x, tan x, so on. Okay. Now E means exponential functions. What are the exponential? Only two functions are there, exponential, e power x, a power x, this type. For suppose we will find the integration, for suppose in the examination point of x into sin x dx. Don't confuse here. X into sin x dx. Observe that x means this is algebraic, this is sin x means trigonometry. Which one is the first, which one is the second? Means we write the formula isolate. Here observe that which one is the first? Here you observe that only a and t. Which one is the first? A is the first, means this is the first function, This is the second function. This is f of x, this is g of x. So now write the formula. Okay, my dear students. Now, for suppose what is f of x? Here f of x is equal to x, g of x is equal to how much? Sin x. Now, differentiation. Here, no need of only f dash of x. First find the f dash of x is equal to 1. Now, g of x integration only, 2 times the integration means first find the g of x integration. Integral of g of x, sin x integration minus cos x plus c. Sorry, no need of plus. After that, write the plus c. Now, integral of, write down the formula, substitute these values. We will get the answer. Okay, my dear students. First function only derivative, second function integration. After that, you will write the formula, substitute in that one. Any doubt? I hope that you understood or not. Yes. How to take the, which one is the first, which one is the second? By using the formula ILATE. You maintain the order. In this one, which one is the first is there? That is the first function. Here, algebraic is the first, after that trigonometric. For suppose here, x into sin inverse of x is there. Here, this is inverse, this is algebraic. What is the formula? ILATE. I is the first. That means this is the first function, this is the second function. This is f of x, this is g of x. Okay, my dear friends. In this way, we will consider the functions f of x and g of x, that is the by parts, product of the two functions, integration of the product of the two functions, that is called integration by parts. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now we are going to problems on this one. Okay, my dear students. Once again, we will see the formula. Integral of f of x, g of x dx is equal to f of x into integral of g of x dx minus f dash of x into integral g of x dx, where f and g by choosing the order of the letters ILATE. Which one is the first? That is the first function. Which one is the after that? That is the second function, my dear students. Now, for suppose we are going to one problem. For suppose integral of x into secant square x dx. For suppose simple, I am writing x into integral of x into secant square x. X is the algebraic function. Secant square x is the trigonometric function. A t. This is a t. Order is a t. Yes. A first, t second. Okay, my dear students. Now, this is the first function, this is the second function. Okay, this is I. Here, let f of x is, you know that f of x is equal to x. G of x is equal to how much, my dear students? Secant square x. Now, in this total formula, only f derivative, g integration. F derivative. Differentiate means f dash of x is equal to 1. Integral of g of x dx with respect to. Integral of secant square x means tan x. Don't write the plus. After that, totally write the plus. How many constants? Totally you will take only one constant. Integral of x means integral of secant square x means tan x plus c. Now, substitute the formula. That equal to integral of x into secant square. This is f of x, this is g of x. Write down the formula. Okay, we know that. Okay, integral of f of x. Okay, otherwise you write the formula, no problem. Integral f of x into g of x dx. F of x into integral of g of x dx minus integral of f dash of x into integral of g of x dx whole dx. Okay, my dear students. Now, substitute each and every one. Here f of x is here x into secant square x dx. This is the formula after f of x means x. Integral of g of x dx means tan x minus integral of f dash of x. F dash of x means 1. Integral of g of x dx means tan x dx. Now, x into tan x minus integral of 1 into tan x, integral of tan x, two formulas are there. Integral of tan x means minus log mod cos x or log of mod secant x minus log mod secant x plus c. First we write the cos, this is minus is plus. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems, my dear students. Okay, now we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem, my dear students? I hope that you understood or not? Yes. In this one also okay, I forget that one. Some special functions are there. Whenever the some special functions are given, was given, okay, now the second function always treat as 1. The first function is 100% f of x, second function 100% treated as 1. Okay, what are the special functions means? For suppose integral of log x, integral of sin inverse of x, only one functions, integral of cos inverse of x, integral of tan inverse of x, integral of cot inverse of x, okay, integral of root over a square minus x square dx, integral of a square plus x square dx, not 1 by, yesterday we learned only 1 by, okay, this is x square minus a square dx. Okay, these are all are the special functions. Whenever these functions occurs in that integration, compulsory the second function must be will take 1. Remember this one. Otherwise, very complicated to find the integration of the given function. Okay, my dear students, these are the special functions. Log x is given. For suppose integral of log x, derivative of log x, you know, 1 by x, integral of 1 by x is equal to log x. But what is the integral of log x? We don't know. That's why this is the special function. Compulsory will take the second function, 100% f of x is the first function, second function must and should will take 1. This one, sin inverse of x, cos inverse of x, tan inverse of x, secant inverse of x, cosecant inverse of x, whatever may be, inverse of function, to find the inverse of the trigonometric functions, to find the integration of the inverse trigonometric functions, 100% the second function is you will take as 1. Okay, remember this one. Okay, my dear students. Now first we will find the log x dx. What is the log x dx? Integral of log x dx. I is equal to integral of log x dx. Okay, my dear students. Now this is the special function. Now must and should the second, this is 100% first function, integral of log x into 1 dx. Here f of x is equal to, what is f of x? F of x is log x, g of x is equal to 1. Now first function derivative, second function integration. F dash of x is equal to 1 by x. Integral of g of x is equal, integral of g of x, integral of g of x dx is equal, integral of 1 dx means x plus c. Now don't write as x, last write. Okay. Now substitute, that is equal to, directly substitute f of x into g of x, that equal formula f of x into, f of x means log x into integral of, directly write integral of g of x, integral of g of x dx means x minus integral f dash of x means 1 by x into f dash of x into integral of g of x, integral of g of x means x whole dx. This one cancel, that equal x log x minus integral of 1 dx means x plus c. Now taken common x into log x minus 1 plus c. This is integral of log x dx. Remember the formula. Integral of log x dx. Integral of log x dx is equal to x into x log x minus x or x into log x minus 1 plus c. No problem at all. Okay, my dear students. Now for suppose we will going on the one special formula, that is for suppose integral of x power n into log x dx. What happened? X power n into log x dx for formula purpose. X power n into x is the algebraic, log x is the trigonometry. Algebraic trigonometry. Here, sorry, algebraic logarithmic functions. X means x power n, all are the algebraic function. This is a, this is algebraic, this is logarithms. Which one is the first? L is the first. Means this is f of x, this is g of x. This is first function, this is second function. Okay, my dear students. Now you will find I is equal to integration. What is the f of x here? F of x is equal to log x. What is the g of x? G of x is equal to x power n. G of x is equal to x power n. Now first function derivative, second function integration. What is the derivative of f of x means 1 by x. What is the integral of this one? Integral of g of x dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. No need write. No problem at all. Now substitute is equal to, this is f of x into g of x. Now apply this formula only. Okay. Otherwise, but suppose you confuse, right? Total formula, substitute these values. Okay, my dear students. What happened? Now that is equal to f of x into g of x is equal to f of x into, f of x means log x into integral of g of x, f of x into integral of g of x. Integral of g of x means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral f dash of x means 1 by x, again into integral of g of x means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into dx. Here 1 by x means x power minus 1. Here x power n plus 1. Base equal power side means this plus 1, this one cancel. Okay, understood or not? X power 1 into this is x cancel. Okay, here constant is 1 by n plus 1 is the constant. This is first of all x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus here 1 by n plus 1 is the constant. What is the remaining? Integral of x power n dx. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 into, what is the formula of this one? Integral of x power n. Again, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now taken the common here, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, here x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Taken common out, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Taken common out. What happened? That equal to log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is very, very important formula, my dear students. What is that? Integral of x power n into log x. Integral of x power n into log x dx. What is the formula, my dear students? That is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. For suppose 1 mark question, they were asking in 1 mark question, for suppose integral of x log x. What happened? X log x means x power 1, x power n value is 1, n value is 1, substitute x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 plus c. Only where 100% n is a n greater than or equal to 1. Okay, my dear students, n value is 0, what happened? Okay, no problem at all. N greater than or equal to 0. Here n greater than or equal to 0. N value 0 means integral of log x. N value 0. N value 0 means x log x minus 1. Okay, no problem at all. N greater than or equal to 0. For n greater than or equal to 0. Okay. N is whole number. Okay. N belongs to W, whole number, not negatives. For some we will take the negative. Now x is equal to minus 1. What happened? Minus 1 plus 1. Something by 0 infinity, not defined. Okay, my dear friends. Now for example, integral of x square log x dx. N value is 2. N value is 2 means 2 plus 1 3, x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 3. Simple, observe that. For example, integral of root x into log x dx. No problem at all. X power n greater than or equal to 0. Okay. X power 1 by 2. What happened? 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2, not whole numbers, sorry. Okay. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. 2 by 3. X power 3 by 2 into log x minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. Here plus c. Just we will get the either objective questions. Okay, how the 1 mark questions have 20, that is total objective question. That's why I am telling you by using this formula. You remember this formula, my dear students. Okay, integral of x power n into log x dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now we are going to next problem. Integral of sin inverse of x dx. Special functions. I is equal to integral of sin inverse of x dx. Here only sin inverse of x. You know the sin x, integral of sin x you know, but sin inverse of x don't know. That's why the special function means you consider as 1. Integral of sin inverse of x into 1 dx. Now here f of x is equal to, what is f of x? Sin inverse of x. G of x is equal to how much? 1. Now derivative, function derivative, f dash of x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Integral of g of x dx is equal to 100% x plus c. Okay, no problem at all, write down. Okay, don't substitute plus c, just integral write 1 dx. Integral of 1 dx means x. Now that is equal to f of x into g of x. Now f of x into, f of x means sin inverse of x into integral of means x. Directly write minus derivative of this one 1 by root over 1 minus x square into x dx. Okay, my dear students. Now this is x sin inverse of x minus, what happened this one? X by root over 1 minus x square dx. Actually any formula f dash of x by root f of x may be possible. One derivative is 0, minus x square derivative is minus 2x. Minus 2x is missing. Multiplying and dividing with minus 2. Okay. x sin inverse of x plus 1 by 2 into minus 2x by root over 1 minus x squared x. Right or wrong? You are divided with minus 2, already minus is there, plus this is minus 2 per suppose 2 cancel, plus into minus minus. This is f dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x formula 2 root f of x. Okay, that is equal x into sin inverse of x plus 1 by 2 into, what is the formula this one? 2 root f of x, 1 minus x square plus 2 cancel. That is equal to x into sin inverse of x plus root over 1 minus x square plus c. Okay, my dear students. First of all, what happened? Cos inverse of x means I think here minus only. Okay, in this way we complete the problem. X into sin inverse of x plus this one. What is the formula for integral of sin inverse of x dx? Okay, you remember each and every one, no problem beta. That is integral of sin inverse of x dx, that equal to x sin inverse of x plus root over 1 minus x square plus c. This is the formula. What happened? For suppose cos inverse of x. What happened cos inverse of x? This is cos inverse of x. Now this is cos inverse of x. What happened? Listen. Now f of x is cos inverse of x. Just what is the derivative of minus 1 by? Okay, same. Here 100% instead of sin you write the cos inverse. Here cos inverse of x. Thus remaining all process same. Here derivative means minus. Okay, my dear students. Derivative means minus. This is minus x. Otherwise minus into minus you write. Okay. Minus 1 by, already here x into minus x. Okay. Here minus same. Here minus already is there. Minus into minus 100% plus. 1 by 2 into 2. Here minus. Here cos inverse of x. Here also cos inverse of x. Here minus. What is the formula for this one? Integral of cos inverse of x dx. That equal x cos inverse of x minus root over 1 minus x square plus. My dear students. Okay. Integral of cos inverse of x dx is equal to x cos inverse of x minus root over 1 minus x square plus c. Now what happened? What is the tan inverse of x? What is integral of tan inverse of x dx? This is the special function, that's why 100% will take the second function as 1. Integral of tan inverse of x dx. This is I. Now second function must and should 1, that is g of x. Let into 1 we will take. F of x is equal to tan inverse of x. G of x is equal to 1 dx. 1. Not 1 dx, 1. Now f dash of first function derivative f dash of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Now second function integration g of x is dx is equal to x. Now substitute, that equal to f of x into g of x is equal to formula, remember f of x means tan inverse of x into integral of means x minus derivative means 1 by 1 plus x square into x dx. Now x tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into 2x by why 1 by 2 I am explaining. F dash of x by f of x formula. 1 derivative is 0, x square derivative actually 2x. Here x is there. Okay. Now x tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Okay. What is this one? Integral of tan inverse of x tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 log mod 1 plus x square plus. Similarly, cot inverse of x dx, what happened? Same, x cot inverse of x plus. Why? Because here minus 1 by, already minus is there, minus into minus plus. Plus of log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Okay, my dear students. Okay, in this way we will do the problems. Okay, next we are going to next problem. Okay, my dear students. Next problem, log x whole square. This is also special function, log x whole square. You know the log x. 100% you will take the second function is 1. What happened this one? Log x whole square into 1 dx. Here f of x is equal to log x whole square, g of x is equal to 100% 1. What is the derivative of this one? f dash of x is equal to x square derivative 2 log x into log x derivative 1 by x means by x. Integral of g of x means how much? That equal to x. Now substitute, that is equal to log x whole square means f of x into g of x. F of x means log x whole square into integral means x minus derivative 2 log x by x into x dx. X cancel. X into log x whole square minus 2 into integral of log x dx. Already explained the formula. What is the formula? Integral of log x dx? X into log x minus 1. X into log x minus 1 plus c. In this way we will complete the problems. Here I is equal to, two functions are there. In this one, log x into 1 by x square dx. This is logarithmic, this is algebraic. Which one is the first? Logarithmic is the first, algebraic is the second. No special function, okay? Not special function, this one. This is f of x, this is g of x, my dear students. What happened? F of x is equal to log x, g of x is equal to 1 by x square. Now, first function derivative, f dash of x is equal to 1 by x. Integral of g of x dx is equal to minus 1 by x, my dear students. Minus 1, integral of 1 by x square means minus 1 by x. Substitute. What is the formula? F of x into, f of x means log x into integral of this one minus 1 by x minus f dash of x into integral means 1 by x into minus 1 by x dx. Now minus log x by x, minus into minus plus 1 by x square dx. Integral of 1 by x square again minus 1 by x minus log x by x minus 1 by x. In this way we will do the problems. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Okay, thank you. Okay, next class we will discuss some more problems on integration by parts. Thank you one and all.